I'm glad to be back, homie. Now check it out. I know a lot of rappers are in the game for the wrong motherfucking reason. Trying to show off behind them, trying to make a couple little bucks here and there on these little flops. But this is music to me. It's my motherfucking life, homie. I live this shit. This is music to me. I sleep this shit, I breathe this shit. I can't stop. This is music to me. I'm steady rising. This is music to me. Mr. Criminal, check it out, homie. This is music to me. Back when I was growing up, Eazy-E, Dr. Dre, MC Ren, and then NWA were blowing up. Fuck the police. Had it sewn up, middle fingers to the law, everybody throwing up. Back when Ice Cube left Woody Helm, starting Ice-T, made the feds take him off the charts. And Too Short had him screaming out, bitch. They had the whole West Coast banging out hits. I started banging around the same time Dre dropped the Chronic. By the time Doggy Style dropped, I was a smoker holding, puffing on California's bombers. I had 20 when the Loonies had 5 on it. I was raised in the days of AKs and homies posted up in the mountains with spray paint and gangsta rap. But just describe how us gangsters act, smoking up on the sack, banging Roger and Zach. This is music to me, the soundtrack to my life, helping me make my wrongs turn to rights. This is music to me, a way to reminisce, smoking out, making music like this. This is music to me, it's something I'm addicted to. Can't you tell in this music that I'm giving? This is music to me. It helped me come from nothing to something, giving everybody something that's bumping. Now a lot of rappers got down, represented, kept it true, but up until that point, not yet a brown point of view. Then light of shade came and everybody bumped it. Chilling at a park on a Sunday night, I loved it. Then Kid Frost came and hit him with La Raza. Slowly opened up for doors, now little Rock Watcher. Then Proper Laws came with Underground Heat. We're at it again with Frank V and Ernie G. These were the things that I bumped coming up in my neighborhood, smoking on skunk. These were the songs I used to bang to, slang came to, act up and go insane to. This is the soundtrack to my life, putting in work and straight smashing. Through the nights I used to think of rhymes myself just to escape the sights, turn the system up and close my eyes. This is music to me, the soundtrack to my life, helping me make my wrongs turn to rights. This is music to me, a way to reminisce, smoking out, making music like this. This is music to me, it's something I'm addicted to. Can't you tell in this music that I'm giving? This is music to me. It helped me come from nothing to something, giving everybody something that's bumping. I used to love music so much, I used to sit in front of the radio, listen to 92.3 and 106 on the stereo. Had a cassette already in the tape deck, push and record on different tracks I couldn't afford to get. But now shit's changed, I make my own music in my own studio, produce my own shit.